Hello guys, welcome back. A ton of things, but for today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix TECNO phone and keep restarting. Also, it will be really awesome if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So in this case, you may be having some problems here with your TECNO phone and it keeps restarting itself. Well, there may be a few things that you may want to try doing here to solve this issue. So the first thing that you may want to do here is you want to make sure that your phone is not dirty. Sometimes you may notice that the actual power button itself might be dirty, so you may want to clean that. And if you're sure that your phone is clean here, there are still a few things that you may want to do before I actually show you a few things that actually changes the system of your TECNO phone. So also you may want to clear the cache on your phone and also free up some space on your phone. So in this case, freeing up some space can actually help a lot. But if none of this actually work, it means that the actual software for your TECNO phone may or may not be broken. So it actually depends. So it may be a hardware thing or a software thing here. But if your phone was not, like for example, you didn't accidentally let go of it and just fell on the floor, or it's not damaged at all, it might be a software thing here. So the last thing that you could try doing here is to basically try factory resetting it. So all you need to do is you want to first make sure that it's actually off. Well, when this is actually off, you want to press and hold the volume up button and the power button together for about a few seconds. Now, from then on, you want to go ahead and just wait for it to boot up into Android recovery. Now, you want to use the volume up and down button to navigate the menu here. And if you want to select something, use the power button. Now, you want to look for wipe data or factory reset here. So again, you want to select this one. And then here, you want to confirm this. So go ahead and select yes. And just wait for it to basically just reset it. Now, once it's actually resetted, you go and just choose the reboot system now here. And once it's actually rebooted, see if that actually helps. Now, sometimes if your phone keeps restarting, it may have contracted some form of virus here. So in this case, this is a thing that you could try doing here to solve it yourself. But if you're not sure and don't want to reset this yourself, it's best to consult a technician here. What are other options that you could do what they can actually do for you. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.